Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to zip tie the wiring harness we just made. This is a 32 channel wiring harness. Okay, we're going to just go ahead and zip tie the whole thing together. If you want to, since we got two light random controllers, if you want to zip tie 16 channels together and the other 16, that's an option if you choose to do that, but I'm going to keep mine all together. So I'm going to start at the top, and each of these have 4. So I'm going to grab where the top 4 start on the top ring, and I'm going to zip tie that. I'm going to come down to the next ring, and I'm going to have the next 4 wires, plus I'll have the 4 wires that are continuing down from the top. And as we progress, okay, now I'm going to get to these 8 wires, and I'm going to pick up another 4, which give me 12. And again, I'm zip tying these close to where the plug-in is. I'm just leaving a little lead, maybe about 2 or 3 inch lead. Okay, as you keep coming down, your bundle of wires is going to get bigger. I got 4-inch zip ties. You could probably use 6-inch or bigger. I'm going to go as far as these will take me. And then I'll put 2 together if I need to. But as you're going through here, I got a zip tie here and here. If you want to go through and put one in the middle just to keep things kind of bundled up good. I'm going to go back up and do this one. Alright, come down to grab the next 4. This one's getting a little bit big, so I'm just going to take and double up my zip tie. Alright, I got one more to do. Aim the camera down so you can see the finish. Okay, I'm on my last ring. Just try to keep all the slack out as you're going down. So when you do pull this off, your wiring harness will be nice and straight. Okay. As I go down, I'm going to go about probably about every foot. I'm going to put zip ties on it. Okay, I got the other 16 of them going here, then another 16 going around to the other controller. So I'm going to try to separate them. Okay, that's pretty much it. You know, it's kind of up to you if you want to take these and undo them and make them all the same length. But, you know, once you get the wiring harness done, it's nice because the next year you get this set up, you just pull everything in and pull it all the way to the top, and since everything's marked, you can just plug the numbers in and you're done that much quicker. Otherwise it takes a lot more of your time, and as we all know, we need more time. We never have enough time for setting up our displays. But if you have any questions, please email us. Go to christmaslightshow.com/support and just submit a ticket. We'll answer any questions you need. Thanks for watching.